In an age where cyber threats loom large, your email security cannot be an afterthought. It's time to elevate your safeguards. Every email you send should include vital information on spotting fake messages. Protecting your subscribers is your responsibility. Establish a dedicated page on your website to educate users on identifying illegitimate emails. Transparency builds trust and safety. Limit access to your email campaigns. Fewer hands mean fewer opportunities for breaches in your marketing system. Ensure that each team member has individual accounts tailored to their roles. Protect sensitive functions by restricting permissions. Using a high-quality email marketing tool can prevent many security issues. Invest wisely to protect your subscribers and your reputation. Consider advanced email security software if your operations depend heavily on email communications. Tools like Mimecast enhance protection significantly. Educating your team is as essential as protecting your subscribers. Teach them to identify phishing attempts and social engineering tactics. Implement email authentication standards like DKIM, SPF, and DMARC to tighten security. These frameworks establish a strong defense against abuse. The best time to reinforce your email security was yesterday. The second best time is now. Start protecting your subscribers today.